To purchase the license of the Remote Park Assist app, go to the Mercedes-Me portal. Log in as usual. Select the appropriate vehicle. In the sub-menu Mercedes-Me Connect, you'll find all available services. In Mercedes-Me Shops, click the Park app button. Confirm with OK, then go to the Park app. All the details about the Park Assist appear here. Select the Runtime and add it to your shopping basket. Once the product is in your shopping basket, continue by entering your data. Choose between private or business use. Then read the following information carefully. Next, check and confirm that your details are correct before you specify the payment type. You can choose between credit card payment or PayPal, then confirm. Accept the terms and place the order by clicking the button. Now continue with the payment. Proceed here as usual. Once the payment has been completed, you'll receive an order confirmation. A further confirmation, as well as all important information about the Remote Parking Assist, will be sent to you by email. Now download the Remote Park Assist app, then your vehicle is ready to park via smartphone.